Alright, so on top of painting the bay, we had a delivery today, so go ahead and let Joe show you what he got.
Got the Type R shift knob, little sticker Honda emblem right there. And I also picked up the NRG lock hub for my detachable steering wheel. We're gonna put them on today and see how they look, man.
Hell yeah. And also, what came in today, shift boot and e-brake handle. Pretty fire. So we're gonna put those on too.
The second you do a pull, the fucking radio just comes shoot right out.
Yeah, just yank all the wires out with it.
So what are y'all doing?
Previous owner's a dumb fuck and didn't install something.
So we're missing the
supposed to go
two
right
big, metal brackets that were right there.
So this can not do this.
Fun.
So I remember I ordered this whole piece stock from a JDM manufacturer with the OEM radio still in it. It's just on delay.
JDM.
Fun.
But my seats came in today, and that's what matters.
Hell yeah.
Radio package.
Alright, so yeah. Last video you saw that we painted the engine bay. And looks pretty good. So probably just gonna have to clear it.
Restarted every 5 minutes today.
Yeah, we got it gutted, cleaned out.
What did you do?
They were gonna try to install the radio, but failed on that venture.
It runs for 2 seconds dead.
No worries.
Not my fault.
He went ahead and he got his e-brake handle on, boot, shift boot. This we just picked up from AutoZone. Works great. Yeah. Little steering wheel hub. But yeah, I guess we'll show you some of the goodies inside, since we're not doing anything else.
Hey. Alright, so my seats came in today, so there's a bunch of boxes everywhere. They sent me seats in a box inside of the box. I'm gonna come around here to see everything that's gonna go back into the car once it's built. Gonna repaint the plastics. Carpet's redone, we're gonna lay that back down today.
Yeah, so just a quick rundown. Turbo, manifold, junk. Heads right here. Port and polish fully built. Cams. Shitload of dog hair. Touch can. K24 if anybody wants to buy it.
Sparco R100 seats. We're gonna try to get those in today as well. Just came in today.
These look nice. Are you gonna repaint it?
Yeah, we're gonna refinish it all.
Nice. Sick. It's gonna look good.
Alright, so we got the carpet laid down. Come over here and see what Joe and them are doing.
Oh man, that looks so good.
Yeah, dude. We got the sliders and the rails. So it should be easy.
Oh man, it's so clean. Alright.
Bracket right there. And Joe's gonna start putting them together. Right. So we got the seat in. And Joe's about to christen it. Brand new seats,
Yeah, right.
Just jump in.
Right.
Yeah, dude, that's nice. Whoa. It's fucking awesome. Yeah.
Some good progress. I think that's going to be for today. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah?
There you go.
See you on the next one.